Eliminate the expense and time required to pre-wash grills, license plates, and headlights to remove bugs and other caked-on road grime with Sony's Grille Washer. This unit follows and cleans the complete front of the vehicle. Gentle pivoting arms with counterbalance and NeoGlide foam material accomplish this safely and effectively before pivoting to wash the entire side of the car with the same rotational movement of a standard side washer. The Grille Washer cannot bend license plates since it rotates at the vehicle in the opposite rotation of available wraparound washers. They provide the necessary strength to clean with absolutely no prepping. Safe, reliable, high-performance vehicle wash technology. Visit sonysdirect.com for details. Stay tuned for an in-depth overview of this product with Anthony Analetto, Chief Operations Officer for Sony's, the Car Wash Factory.
Welcome to Sony's, the Car Wash Factory. Next piece of equipment we're going to spend a few minutes on is the grill brush. This is a piece of equipment that was designed in conjunction and with one of our good vendors, the people that make the NeoGlide material for cleaning. They had an idea of how to simplify a brush that we built in the past, and they made some sketches to it. We took it in the shop, we built a couple prototypes, and this is the end result. It's a great brush designed to focus on the front grille of all the cars and vehicles. The difference between this brush and the wraparounds is that this one here actually spins against the car. So if the way the rotation is, you'd think it would want to come across the car and lock up. But the way the unit's designed with the pivot point and the angle and the rotation of the brush, it's actually very friendly and walks right off the nose of the car. This is a demonstration. As this brush comes in and spinning counterclockwise to wash the front of the grille, and it starts to move, it actually moves closer to the center of the car. So it reaches across the grille, gets a little bit more than halfway across, and as it comes out here, it stays there for quite a while. You can see over 3 feet, and then it pushes out to the side, and it's spinning just as a regular side brush. And it'll wash the side of the car. When it's done, little air pressure and counterweight allows it to return right back home again, ready for the next car. And both brushes do the same thing, so they actually will overlap a little bit in the very front center, as you can see here. And because the offset that we have on the frame allows them to miss each other and wash the front of the grille, and then pivot and wash the side. It comes with the standard air cylinder here with a little oil pod to hold the brush out front. And then it also comes with the optional retract, where we put a retract cylinder on the back primary arm. We'll retract this arm here to this position. And then if you want, we can take and add the air cylinder and we can retract this all the way out. For problem vehicles or rural areas, we have cattle guards or pushers on the front of the cars that we don't want to get tangled up on. Most important thing in the brush is setting the torque on the power pack that's in the back room so that if it does get caught on a brush guard or a push bumper or one of those square vehicles, the old big Suburbans or Blazers, it'll actually stall on the car and then push right out of the way. And then when it gets to the side of the car, it'll start spinning again. Because it's NeoGlide, always important to keep it lubricated. So we've got a dosatron pump in the back room with a little bit of lubricating soap that'll help to keep it lubricated and spinning freely on the side of the vehicle. And that's it for Inside the Tunnel. We'll take a walk in the back room. We'll look at the support equipment that goes along with it. Let's go take a look. Okay, here we are in the back room. Support equipment for the grill brush is a power pack because, again, it is a hydraulically driven brush. It's got hydraulic motors on it, so we need a power pack. For this unit here, 5 horsepower power pack will do the job. Single flow control. We're going to go in one motor, in series, out of that motor into the other motor, and then back home here to the return line. Real simple to operate. One flow control valve, one adjustment, sets the speed of both brushes exactly the same. Like we talked about, the torque adjustments in here underneath the cap screw. We want to make that just light enough so that if it does get caught on a push bumper or a brush guard, it'll stall, the car will push it out of the way, it'll start spinning by itself up on the side of the vehicle as well. And that's the first piece you need there. Because of the retract, we've also got an air cylinder on here we're going to show, so that you can see how to do the retract on it. The other feature we have in the back room support-wise is the retract solenoid valve. Again, mounted to the air manifold, air pressure going in to make the retract to pull it all the way out. And then another regulator on the control flow side going to the back of the arm so that we can just put a little bit of pressure so we stop the bounce. When it comes off a car, it comes in, locks on the front car, it's got a little bit of air pressure resisting for the push uphill as it comes out and retracts it to the side. And again, that comes standard with the unit with the retract system on it. If it doesn't, it's just an air over oil bottle for the front arm. And that's how that plumbs.